Hello dear children, how are you all? I hope that you all are fine. Welcome to your online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School situated Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Student, today's video we going to solve the exercises and word meanings of chapter 4. In my last video, we have to learn about the story of chapter 4 and I'm explaining this story to you, the prodigal son, and now today I'm going to describe about the exercises. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, student, there is a hard word of chapter 4. So here you can see you have also write this hard word in your notebook with a good handwriting. Okay students, so for that you all take out your copy and mention date of today and write down the hard words. So first of all you have to write the chapter name. The chapter name is the prodigal son. Okay, the prodigal son, and you have to make a 2 column to write word meaning, first for word and second for meaning. Okay, so in number 1 there is a word prodigal. Okay, prodigal, what the means of prodigal? It means one who spent too much. Okay, one who spent too much. After that next word is splendid. So what the meaning of splendid? So the meaning of splendid is excellent. Okay, now next is moneylenders. So what the meaning of moneylender? It means people who lend money and take it back with interest. Okay, take with. Next word is after that moneylenders, drought. Okay, so what the meaning of drought? A long period of dry weather that causes water shortage. Okay, a long period of dry weather that causes water shortage. Okay, next number is wage. What the meaning of wage? It means salary. Okay, and after that next word is worthy. That means the meaning of worthy is deserving. Okay, and now last word is bitter. So the meaning of bitter is full of anger. So now moving to the exercises. Here you can see there is a exercise number A. In exercise number A, number these sentences in the correct order. So student, here you can see there are some sentences and you have to make number wise. You have to write number 1 to 10 on given sentences. So here we have to see that first sentence, this number 1 is a rich farmer. We have to learn the story and after that we have to write number on given sentences. So first we have to write number 1. There is a word, a rich farmer had 2 sons. Okay, after that number 2, he gave half of his money to his younger son. Number 3, the younger son said goodbye to his father and brother. Number 4 sentence is, in a foreign country he spent his gold on clothes and presents. Okay, after that number 5. So number 5 is, spending so freely his gold was soon gone. Okay, number 6 is, in number 6, unhappy he tried to earn money to buy food. Okay, number 7 sentence is, one day he thought of his father who loved him. Okay, so now next number 8. In number 8 there is the young man set off for home. Okay, and number 9 the father was overjoyed to see his son, and last one number 10 is, he organized a feast to celebrate his son's return. Okay, so like this you have to mention number 1 to 10. Okay, to the given sentences. Okay student, after doing the exercise J, come to the next. There is a question number, exercise B, answer this question. Okay, here's the answer this question. So here is number 1 question is, what did the younger son ask his father to give him? Why? So student, you have to write the answer. The younger son asked his father own share of money and gold from his father to enjoy. Okay, now next question is, how did fathers respond and why? So we have to write the answer. The The father responded very positively because he did not like to see him unhappy, because his father loved him so much. So he didn't want to see his son unhappy. So that's why the father responded very positively, because he did not like to see him unhappy. So we have to write the answer. Okay, now come to the next question. Question number 3. There is a question, what did the younger son do with all his riches? Okay, so we all know that what did the younger son do. So let's write the answer. So we have to write the answer. The younger son enjoyed the good food, music, dancing, purchasing gifts with all his riches. Okay, so he spent all the money in bad work. So now come to the next, number 4. Moving to the next question. Question number 4. What did the father do when his son returned? Here is the question number 4 is, what did the father do when his son returned? So we have to write answer. The father welcomed with heartily when his son returned. And the father was very overjoyed when he see his son return. Okay. So now next question is question number 5. In question number 5, there is a question, why did the elder son get angry with his father after his brother come home? So we have to write the answer. The elder son got angry with his father after his brother come home because his father held a feast to celebrate the day. Okay. Now number 6. Number 6 is question, why did the elder son change his mind? So we have to write answer. The elder son changed his mind because he understood now that his father loved both equally. Okay, student. So after completing exercise B, come to the next. There is a next exercise C. In exercise C, you have to write the answer, think and answer. Okay. Here is the question. You have to think about this question and after that write the answer. So here is the question, how did the younger son make friends? Do you think they were true friends? Give reason for your answer. So student, you have to write the answer. The younger son met selfish friend. They did not help him in his hard time. I think they were not true friends because they left him alone in his bad time. Okay, student, you have to write the answer that younger son made selfish friends. They did not help him in his hard times. I think they were not true friends because they left him alone in his bad times. Okay, students, like this you have to complete this question answer one by one. You have to write this all the question answer in your notebook and you also learn this question answer. Student, you must learn this question answer, given question answer, and also you have to learn this given word meaning. Here are total word meaning. You have to learn it. So first of all you have to learn about the prodigal. What the means of prodigal? So you know that the meaning of prodigal is one who spent too much. After that, splendid, it means excellent. After that, money lenders, it means people who lend money and take it back with interest. Okay, interest. After that, next is drought. So the meaning of drought is a long period of dry weather that cause water shortage. Okay, next is vague. So the meaning of vague is salary, and worthy, it means deserving. After that, there is a next word meaning is bitter. So the meaning of bitter is full of anger. Okay, students, like this you have to write and learn this word meaning. And after that you have to write this question answer. You have to complete exercise A, and after that you have to write the question answer. There is a question number 1, what did the younger son ask his father to give him and why? So you have to write the younger son asked his own share of money and gold from his father to enjoy. Okay, next question is how did the father respond and why? So you have to write the father respond very positively because he did not like to see him unhappy. Number 3 is what did the younger son do with all his riches? So you have to write the younger son enjoyed the good food, music, dancing, purchasing gifts with all his riches. Okay, now number 4 you have to write. There is a question, what did the father do when his son returned? So you have to write the father welcomed welcomed with heartily when his son returned. Number 5, you can see there is a question, why did the elder son get angry with his father after his brother come home? So you have to write the answer. The elder son got angry with his father after his brother come home because his father held a feast to celebrate the day. Now number 6 is, why did the elder son change his mind? So you have to write, the elder son changed his mind because he understood now that his father loved both equally. And after that you have to write, think and answer. There is a question, how did the younger son make friends? Do you think they were true friends? Give reason for your answer. So you have to write, the younger son met selfish friends. They did not help him in his hard time. I think they were not true friends because they left him alone in his bad time. So like this you have to learn and write. This is all the question answer of chapter 4. Okay students, I hope you all are understood that how to write and learn this question answer and word meaning. Okay, thank you.